my god. These things are flat as a pancake, no, bro. This might be one of the biggest fails I've had. Yo, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we have the biggest Pandabuy haul yet on this channel. This is like 30 kg. This is crazy. But I'm just gonna get right into the unboxing and tell you about it on unboxing. So this haul is about 20 kilograms. It costs around $250 to ship. It was shipped with FedEx and it took around 20 days to deliver. My overall review of Pandabuy is 10 out of 10 because they are very efficient in their work and their agents are very nice and assist you with anything you need. And lastly, if you want any of these coupons, all you have to do is sign up with the first link I have linked in the description. Also linked there is a spreadsheet with over 200 items. So don't forget to check those out, and yeah, let's get to the video. Holy, it must be way worse than the factories producing these shoes. So these right here, all these little boxes, these are shoe boxes that are folded up because of same shipping prices. Holy. Okay. There's more plastic.
I think Pandabuy is single-handedly producing 80% of the world's plastic because, oh my, just in this package alone, it's probably like enough to kill like 30 turtles. I mean, like, who cares though, but like, golly.
Alright, this is the contents of the package. Just gonna start grabbing stuff and just going from there because I have no idea what even half these things are. Because there's a lot of stuff in here. There's like 30 stuff in here. So for the first item, we have a pair of Nike SB Dunks. These are actually a pair for my brother, so yeah. As you can see, I shipped these without the box. Actually, I folded up the box, as you can see from earlier. But when you fold up the box, this is bound to happen. Look at this. It looks like someone sat on my shoe, one of these Chinese. So yeah, you just need to put a shoe tray in there from your day and it should be fixed. But actually, this is not that bad of damage. No, it could be worse. It could be. So these are the Nike, like, I don't even know what these are, honestly. These are like Native American or no, oh, these are Japanese. So yeah, these are like a Japanese Dunks. The next pair, I guess we're just gonna go with shoes first because that's what at the top. I have a feeling, I don't know if I have a feeling these are more Dunks. I have a feeling these are more Dunks yet. Actually, there's only two pairs of Dunks. Got Dunks right at the back. So these are some Christmas, like, SB Dunks. I think they're called Sean Cliver Dunks, but who cares about that? Who cares about the actual person that made these? It's about the design. Toe box, yup. Once again, these are for my brother again, but the suede, I know it looks bad, but it's supposed to be like this. Sean Cliver was weird when he made these. But beautiful tumble leather all over. It has a star snowflake, and that comes with some extra laces, as you'll see, and it should be attached to this shoe. So I really hope it is, of course. Gold laces. I think they would look utterly impeccable, whatever that means, with this shoe. So whatever, it's not my shoe. Do what you will. I hear. Oh my god. 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 These things are flat as a pancake. No, bro. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. What? Dude. It might be unsavable at this point. Holy. Oh my god. I'm sorry for the vulgar language. It literally broke the shoe tree. That's how you know these people did not treat it with respect, bro. And it's not coming from Pandabuy, it's coming from the customs. And I bet it was a Chinese customs. Oh my god. Dude, no, this is I really hope this is fixable because these weren't mine. Someone was gonna buy these. Holy guys. Look at these, man. This one isn't as bad. Oh my god. These are like the Travis Scott Brown. This is seriously. Okay, so here we have another pair. These are obviously easy slides because you can see during in there. So yeah. Pop this bad boy open. Holy, these are. I need to start shipping with the boxes because this seriously is getting out of hand. I mean, easy slides. I guess a lot of people have them like this. Have it happen to like this. These just feel like literally pieces of rubber. I think I got a bad quality on these ones. Holy. Yeah, let's just throw it off to the side. This package is going so well so far, but that's just for the shoes. I am praying that this shoe isn't bad because like this happens in every single one of my hauls. When am I gonna learn that I should ship with the boxes? Ooh. Oh, you know, it's not that bad. No, it's not that bad. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like, it feels like saran wrap, bro. It feels like, is it over for me? Be honest. Be honest in the comments. Is it over for me? Like, dang. This might be one of the biggest fails I've had with a rep ordering. No matter what website, no matter what service. Man, this is absurd. Like, I'm gonna tell you one thing, and please note this down. Write this down. Don't ship without the box, or else this will happen. Unless like you don't really care, because you can just form these back to your feet pretty easy, but like it's still gonna stick with you for the rest of your life that you're wearing a shoe that like got smushed by like 14 elephants. So just for the sake of your life, like this one's not that bad. This one's not that bad. Yeah, this one's not terrible. Holy, bro, you get four laces with these. Dang. But here's the haul so far on the feet. On the feet. Look how much plastic this is. It's got to be contributing to global warming. Dang. Okay, these are some really small shoes. These are really small, so either means they're gonna be completely smushed, or they might have like, you know, they're like sneak past all the damage. What? Hold on. Wow, what is in this? Here, let me look. First of all, look how small these are. But what is this? I have never seen it come with that. That's crazy. It comes with extra shoelaces inside of this little plastic. Actually, no, they use cardboard for once. Hold on. But they get somewhere with this one. I'm not gonna lie. Cardboard for once is crazy. You know what? These shoes aren't bad. I think I was right. They sneak past all the damage. These are some really small shoes. I hope they fit. Hope they fit me, guys. Guys, I hope they fit me. Do you think they're gonna fit me? Oh, I didn't know I had this much shoes in here. I thought I had like 4 pairs. You know, I just be ordering stuff and then I just forget about it. Like, I know you can relate to that. The 3 a.m. Like, it'd be 3 a.m. and you just like, no, I'm just gonna click purchase. And then you buy it and you're like, I ordered it, you know? Sorry, I'm a yapper. Oh my god, bro. I forgot I vacuum seal stuff. This is absurd. I've never done this before. It got up at 3 a.m. when I ordered this. Who vacuum seal stuff? Am I crazy? Heavy, what is this? Oh, it feels wet. Wait, hold on, what is this? Oh yeah. This is a Yeezy Gap hoodie. Let me see what season it is. Oh, there's no season, okay. Probably like season 8 because that's the most popular, or season 6. But it's just a nice black hoodie, blank, oversized. It's the Kanye West hoodie, once again. It's so heavy, oh my god. It gotta be like negative 30 degrees to actually not be sweating in that one. So if anybody wants to buy any of these items, I'm gonna have them linked inside the spreadsheet. It'll be down below. So the Pandabuy spreadsheet, I'll have it linked down below. Holy, they really stuffed like dirt. Wait, these are hieroglyphics on here. They really stuffed like 3 pairs of. Dang, they stuffed everything in here. Hold on. I can't do this all at once. Let me just take one by one. So for the first one, dang, this thing is huge. What? Look, mom, I can fly. Cactus Jack production. This actually looks pretty good. The print. Let's see. Look at that print. It's not too bad. That print's pretty nice. Shirt is huge. The faded look, the washed faded look, is kind of, yeah, it's there. Not actually, not. It's for real there. I don't know where to put all these items. This isn't my room. Ooh, I actually like this shirt. This is a Gallery Depth World. No, I was about to say Gallery Depth World Gone Mad. This is Art That Kills, Gallery Depth. The only way in is out. Look, isn't that so Illuminati on the back of it? Art That Kills. It's like the only Gallery Depth stuff I like. Actually, yeah, I can't say that because I already got another one right after this one. But only way is out. There was like only 2 sellers for this item and both of them had bad reviews. But I just click order anyway, because who knows? People that buy it, people that actually review items on Pandabuy, you cannot trust them. Okay, here we got another Gallery Depth shirt. Bada bing, bada boom. Gallery Depth. Printing looks nice. Quality's nice. Well, I like this one too. Balenciaga, reverse Balenciaga. This thing is huge. But It's Balenciaga. What did I think? I ordered an XL in this. I'm crazy. What? I ordered an XL in Balenciaga. Am I? Holy. Okay, so this Balenciaga shirt, I'll put the price on screen. I'm gonna estimate without actually knowing, feeling the quality, feeling the screen print. I'm gonna say it's a good 15 bucks. We don't have much items left. What is all over this? If this, oh my god, if this is in the hoodie, I'm gonna end my life. If this blue stuff, you see here, there's all this blue stuff all up in here. If this is inside the hoodie, I might just have to. Oh, good thing it was just in the bag. Look at that. You can have some good things in life, okay? Some good things. Essentials hoodie. It's just an essentials hoodie. Don't trip. Do not just. This is pretty basic, but it's just a nice everyday. You know, if you don't feel like putting something on, you can just wear this. Essential fit. I have the sweatpants for it already, so might as well get another hoodie to go with the sweatpants. Yo, I have the hoodie, same hoodie from the same seller, and it was perfect, so I decided to get another. So this is like 30 bucks. It's not terrible. It's not great though. Actually, no, that's perfect. It's perfect 30 bucks. Yeah. So I have a bunch of little trinkets. Okay. Dang. What is in there? What is this, man? Ooh, the box actually comes out. Hold on. What? These are cool. Look, they're like mini Jordans. Yo, that's kind of sick. They look good too. Yo, let's do a legit check. Okay, toe box is a pop up. Ooh, yikes. Might have to return this one. This is, yeah. I threw it back in there. Oops. I got another one of them. This one is the Chicago. If you don't know about the Chicago Jordan 1s, then you live under a rock. What is this? Like, what is this? Okay, these ones, once again. The only thing I dislike about these is look at the laces. Like, really look like a little piece of thread, like a little piece of string. Wait, the tongue actually moves? Why is this the most exciting part of the haul? Yeah, let me just get past this. You don't want to see this. Someone already opened these. What? As you can see by the box, these were like $2 each. $2 each. So I'm surprised it actually comes with a box too. I'm just gonna throw that over there. What is this? They sent a whole pillow with. This is like I doubt this even ticks. I guess you probably need a battery. Wait, hold on. Do it tick or not? Okay, look, hey, look. It moves, but it's not ticking. Maybe I do need to add a battery, but it got plastic around. I have another Rolex from Sugar Goo, but that thing is like huge. I don't know who's gonna wear that. Did the Chinese have big wrists? Who knows? Only someone got to tell me that from China. I got another Rolex. I'm gonna zoom past this one. Okay, another one. This box is actually perfect though. Another little pillow. Okay, this one is a black one. Look, just like okay, doesn't take it. You know what? Let's just move on. Those Rolexes were like $2 each. I don't know what line on my spreadsheet they are, so I don't even know if they're gonna be. Yeah. Vacuum seal item that I'm gonna need a pair of scissors for. Oh my god. Ooh, hold on. I kind of have high hopes for this because this is like $30. Ooh, what is this? Or what is this? I don't know what a represent is, but I just bought it because I needed like I need a blue hoodie. What's on the back? I just be buying stuff without even knowing what it looks like. Okay, that's kind of cool. This is so heavy and huge though. I was getting XL. I always be getting XL because like it usually shrinks in the washer. But then when it doesn't shrink, I'm out here looking like a clown with a huge hoodie and stuff. So yeah. All right, this is my last item in this haul, guys. Look how far we come. See, bro. Oh, I actually forgot about these. This is the Broken Planet sweats. There you can see Broken Planet, and yeah, I got these because I got a few Broken Planet pieces, but I don't got no pants for them. And I see they have matching pants, so I'm like, hey, I mean, why not? Boom, Broken Planet. It has that's not flare, but it's like open bottom, open legs, pocket nice and deep. See this from Hot Dog. Hot Dog is a Broken Planet seller exclusively. Yeah, I know these are gonna be good quality because it's from Hot Dog, but drawstrings are nice already. And yeah, let's just throw it to the side. So in case you ever wonder, this is the aftermath of an unboxing. You got stuff everywhere. I'm probably end up throwing half this stuff out on accident. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Join the Discord. We have people posting word of cops. Now it's like 500 people in there, so if you want to join, go ahead. Use the sign up code in my description, or in the description, whatever it's called. and you get, I think it's like $20 off, 20%, something like 10-15% off your shipping. Which if I used it in here, I would have 50 bucks off, because this is a lot of money. So yeah, they do not sponsor me, so all the proceeds help me. It doesn't really go to Pandabuy. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and yeah.